Our objective is to use artificial intelligence to recognize patterns in public company records to detect money laundering. We use data for United Kingdom corporate available from the company register, company house. We download corporate data, the nationality and status, individual or corporate, of the officers and beneficial owners for a particular company to perform binary classification of suspicious companies. We also download companies involved in the Troika laundromat constructed through a search algorithm and a list of companies allegedly involved in money laundering and other criminal activities by scraping newspaper articles and organized crime and corruption reporting project websites.
We created three sets of features. The first one contains a full set of countries. In the second one, we grouped the countries in regions, and the third one is a mixture of regions and countries. We then used these features to train various models. So we started with logistic regression. We continued with SVM with Gaussian, sigmoid, 5-degree, and 10-degree polynomial kernels. We then switched to more complex models such as neural networks, where we had models with 2, 5, and 10 hidden fully connected layers. And as a final model, we created a convolution neural network, which is a variation of the Linnet 5, where we used instead convolution over one dimension. As metrics, we generated the accuracy, precision, recall, and the F1 score, but due to the imbalanced data set, in order to rank the models, we only used the recall and the F1 score. So based on that, the convolutional neural network is the best performing model when using the full country as features, and SVM with the sigmoid kernel performed worst for all type of features. However, overall, the performance is very similar when using all countries as opposed to a mix of countries and regions as features.
We detect interesting patterns. The Italian mafia use extensively UK companies with Italian national living in Italy and US LLC companies acting as officers, while the Eastern European tend to use corporate entities based in Marshall Islands, Belize, Dominica as officers of UK companies. Our next step will be to extend the features of our model and implement a natural language processing for explaining the model decision and allow users to ask questions with their own words.